If you love boating, you know protecting your vessel is essential. The top 5 best boat bumpers in this year ensure your boat stays safe from scratches, dents, and dock damage. In this video, we'll explore top options that combine durability, performance, and value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. KEMIMOTO Boat Bumpers. The KEMIMOTO boat bumpers stand out with their ergonomic and patented design, offering an innovative alternative to traditional inflatable fenders. Made from high-quality environmental materials, these fenders completely eliminate the need for inflation, which means no worries about air leaks or deflation over time. This design ensures long-term durability and reliability, especially in harsh marine conditions. The bumpers feature reinforced nylon ropes with a fixed buckle, adding extra sturdiness and security during rough weather. The cross-linked closed-cell foam construction is impressively resistant to UV rays, preventing degradation even under prolonged sun exposure. This material choice also means the bumpers retain their shape and protection capabilities for years. The extra-long strap allows for easy looping over higher attachment points, making them adaptable for different dock setups. Installation is quick and straightforward thanks to the integrated strap and locking system, eliminating the hassle of tying complex knots. Measuring 17 inches in length and 8 inches in diameter, these bumpers are best suited for boats between 15 and 25 feet long, with a recommendation of 1 bumper for every 10 feet of boat length and a minimum of 3 for boats under 30 feet. They are versatile enough for a range of boats including bass boats, pontoon boats, ski boats, and small fishing vessels. Designed to protect both the gunnel and hull, the KEMIMOTO boat bumpers provide peace of mind when docking alongside other boats or near potentially damaging surfaces. For boaters who value simplicity, strength, and low maintenance, these bumpers offer an ideal blend of protection and convenience. Number 2. AWEMUFA Boat Bumpers. The AWEMUFA boat bumpers combine sleek aesthetics with practical innovation, making them a stylish and functional choice for boat owners. Inspired by sports car designs, these fenders feature a streamlined exterior that not only looks modern, but also reduces resistance against water and dock surfaces. Constructed from durable, eco-friendly EVA material, they offer excellent impact resistance to safeguard your vessel during docking or when in close proximity to other boats. One of their most notable features is the knot-free installation system. Unlike traditional inflatable bumpers that require time-consuming knot work, the AWEMUFA fenders use an integrated automatic locking system. This ensures a secure fit while the wedge-shaped design minimizes bouncing, keeping the bumper firmly in place even in choppy waters. Measuring 17.12 inches by 8.27 inches, they are designed for optimal coverage and protection. The general recommendation is to use 1 bumper per 10 feet of boat length, with at least 3 bumpers for boats under 30 feet. Their versatility makes them suitable for yachts, pontoon boats, bass boats, ski boats, fishing boats, and more. Beyond their functional benefits, AWEMUFA places a strong emphasis on customer service, providing a clear support process for post-purchase assistance. This commitment to after-sales care adds value, especially for boaters who appreciate responsive support. With their innovative design, robust materials, and ease of installation, these bumpers are perfect for those who want both efficiency and an attractive appearance at the dock. They not only protect your boat from damage, but also add a touch of style to your marine setup, making them a premium choice for discerning boat owners. Number 3. Dreizack Boat Bumpers. Dreizack boat bumpers are designed to deliver exceptional cushioning and protection for your vessel, especially in scenarios involving heavy impact or rough docking conditions. They're crafted from high-quality marine-grade PVC, which is rotomolded for added durability. This material is UV-resistant, chemical-resistant, and able to withstand the harsh effects of salt water without discoloration. The PVC construction also ensures the bumpers remain waterproof, freeze-proof, oil-proof, and highly elastic, offering excellent abrasion resistance. At 3.8 millimeters thick, the bumpers are notably robust, and their oval design improves both shock absorption and stability. A key feature is the double-hole reinforcement molding, which allows them to be hung vertically or horizontally, depending on your needs. This flexibility is especially useful for protecting various parts of the boat at different docking positions. The set includes 4 bumpers, each paired with a 3/8-inch nylon rope, 5 feet long, along with inflating needles, a storage bag, and an air pump. The pump makes inflation quick, just 35 seconds, allowing you to get them ready without delay. Once inflated, they have a smooth, soft surface that won't leave marks on your boat's finish. In addition to functioning as fenders, these bumpers can also double as buoys, offering additional versatility for boaters. Whether docking alongside other vessels or securing your boat in windy conditions, Dreizack boat bumpers provide reliable, flexible protection. The included accessories make them a complete solution for boat owners seeking a durable, high-performance bumper system that is easy to deploy, store, and maintain while offering the flexibility to adapt to different docking environments. Number 4. Affordura boat bumpers. Affordura boat bumpers offer a complete docking protection package that's both practical and user-friendly. Each set includes 4 10-inch fenders, matching color ropes, an air pump, needles, and a storage bag, everything needed for quick deployment and storage. Designed for maximum protection, these bumpers prevent scratches and damage when your boat is tied to a dock or near other vessels. Reinforced molded eyelets provide strength and allow for both vertical and horizontal hanging, making them adaptable to different docking situations. The material is tough enough for daily use, yet soft enough to avoid leaving marks. Inflation is fast and convenient, taking between 35 and 50 seconds, and the included valve lets you control the desired pressure for optimal performance. The size guidelines are straightforward: 1 inch of bumper diameter for every 4 to 5 feet of boat length, and 1 bumper for every 10 feet of waterline, with at least 3 per side for smaller boats. This makes them suitable for various conditions, including more exposed docking spots, where larger bumpers may be recommended. The ability to deflate the fenders for storage is another plus, allowing them to fit easily under seats or in compartments when not in use. Number 5. KEMIMOTO 15 to 35 foot boat bumpers. The KEMIMOTO 15 to 35 foot boat bumpers are a versatile inflatable fender solution designed to provide robust impact protection for mid-sized vessels. These bumpers absorb shocks from collisions with docks, pilings, or other boats, helping to preserve your boat's finish and structure. Their circular design with holes at both ends allows for either vertical or horizontal placement, giving you flexibility depending on the docking situation. Crafted from high-quality PVC, they are resistant to wear, UV rays, and the challenges of marine environments. Each bumper comes with a 70.86-inch double-braid nylon fender line, ensuring secure attachment and long-lasting performance. The package includes a manual pump for quick inflation and easy setup. When not in use, the bumpers can be deflated for compact storage, making them practical for boats with limited space. Available in multiple sizes, they cater to different vessel dimensions, with the manufacturer recommending 1 bumper for every 10 feet of boat length and at least 3 for boats under 30 feet. This makes them suitable for a wide variety of boats within the 15 to 35 foot range. Their strong construction and adaptable design mean they perform well in both calm marina settings and more challenging conditions. The KEMIMOTO 15 to 35 foot boat bumpers are a solid choice for boaters who need reliable, easy-to-store fenders that deliver serious protection. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.